1, 2, 3, 4. Mic testing. Hello, Annyeonghaseo.
Hello, Annyeonghaseo.
Okay, it's okay. I'm not being active on YouTube these days. Miyani, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for that. So it's been months, I guess, like 2-3 months or something. I haven't posted any video. So today I'm gonna do a very popular challenge which is called as the spicy ramen challenge. Oh, so yeah, for that okay, so with the twist is I'm gonna do that challenge with this chopsticks only chopsticks. I'm gonna eat the ramen with chopsticks only, and these are the wooden chopsticks. Yeah, wooden one. I have the steel one too, but I don't want to use that. That was like the difficult task for me. Like, yeah, these are very handy to use. These are like easy to use, but those steel ones are not. I'm not pro at that, and not even pro in this too, but yeah, I'm okay with this. So I'm gonna do the challenge with these ramens. These are the Nongshim Shin ramen, red super spicy one. Okay, so Nongshim is the Korean brand which sells ramen and many more things. So they have like kimchi ramen and the mild ones too, and the red but not that spicy one. Those also they are selling, but I love spicy food, so that's why I ordered this one, spicy, super spicy, and it's vegetarian actually. Yes, it's veg. I'm a vegetarian. For vegetarian like me, it's hard to eat the buldak one. People use buldak one, the samyang buldak actually, but that contains some meat powder or something, so I don't eat meat. I'm not a non-vegetarian person, so that's why I searched so far like hells of time, and I found the vegetarian ones. And before that I have tried the Jin ramen, the spicy one, but those are not that spicy. I think I should stop talking. Like, whenever I open the camera I just start talking blah, 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 blah. So okay, forget that. So let's get back to the video. Let's cook the ramens. So guys, welcome to my kitchen. Should I put my face here? I'm gonna cook the ramen as per the directions they have written here. So as they said, like the 3 cups of water, and just add noodles and powder and flakes. Noodles. We have these 2 sachets inside. This is the soup base powder, I guess. Yes, this is soup base powder, and this is the flakes. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Hi guys, welcome back. So here we have our ramen. Look at this, it's so tempting. Oh my god. Okay, so let's dig in. Okay, so let me take the first bite. Are you guys wanna eat it? Wanna try it? Have it. Can't tell you, like, it's so yummy. Like the I have already said that I have tried Jin ramen, spicy one, but that was not spicy. This is spicy and this is yummy, literally yummy. Can't tell you, it's so yum. Like, oh my god, heaven, 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 heaven. And I'm sorry if I look messed up or something while eating. I'm a kid when it comes to food. When it comes to eating, when I eat like food. Sorry, I eat like a kid. It's not spicy, but I don't know why my nose started. It's not spicy, but I don't know why my nose is like being pricky. I guess this is the hint of spice. Yes. Let me just finish my rest of the ramens actually. Oh, hot! Oh! Heaven! Heaven, heaven, heaven. Spicy thing in Indian homes are, you guys might be familiar. We are Indians. We Indians mostly eat spicy foods occasionally. My mother cook very spicy food, so I'm very good with tolerance, spice tolerance. Actually, it is actually not burning in my mouth. It is burning in my throat. Here I have no sensations of spice. Struggle. I'm full. The end. आ जाओ. I hate these small pieces. These are so difficult to carry in chopsticks. This is the last bite, I guess. Yes. Oh my god, Kiki, you did it. I'm done. And guys, don't forget कि whenever you put chopsticks, put it like this on table or on your bowl or something. Don't put it like this. It is something bad. Like, it is not acceptable in Korea. So I'm gonna wait at this. Have you seen my eyes burning? No, na? No, I guess no. It's only my throat is burning, like from tongue to throat, not in mouth. Let's wait for the 5 minutes. Hey, hello. So in this 5 seconds, I'm gonna give the review of the Shin ramens. So yeah, these are made in Korea, and these are actually very spicy. Not very spicy, but spicy. Yeah. Now it's burning on my upper side on my tongue. Okay. So it is spicy and not that spicy. If you eat mild food, like very mild, like very less amount of spice, so just try it once. Don't eat it regularly. Like, I'm gonna eat it regularly. Why not? I love spicy food, so I love it, and it has little bit tangy flavor. Tangy in the sense sour flavor. I love that. I literally superly love that flavor. These are my type of ramens, as declared now. Also, let me tell you where I ordered this. I ordered this from the Big Basket. You can order it from Amazon too. And there is a a website called Koricart. I tried to find this on Koricart too, but they don't have the Shin ramen. They have Wang ramen, they have Jin ramen, they have Samyak Buldak flavors. Like they have the different kind of flavors of every Samyang ramen. Okay, so if you are a non-vegetarian person, so try the Samyang ones. And if you are the vegetarian type person, try these vegetarian Nongshim and the Jin ramens vegetarian one, and the Wang ramen vegetarian ones. Like Jin ramen and Wang ramen have the both the types, like vegetarian, non-vegetarian, both the types. So yeah, and as for the big basket I found this only because they don't have any other. As much I searched, so yeah, I'm happy with this. And the spiciness has gone, I guess. Yeah, it's been 5 minutes and spiciness has gone. It is super tasty. It's so yummy. Like mashiseo. Literally, it's super. It's mashiseo. So yeah, I'm happy with it, and I have done eating. Thank you so much, guys, for being here, watching me eating like a messy kid. And okay, I hope you don't mind the messy face when I make while eating. Okay, don't mind. If you mind, it's your choice. I don't. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about the challenge, like if I pass this challenge or not. If not, so it's okay. I'm a human. Okay. And if pass, so yeah, send me some hearts, send me some good comments in the comment section. Bye bye.